Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about 3 stocks I'm buying in March 2019. My current strategy is to add to my cash position as well as buy and hold dividend paying stocks with great value. These stocks may not be high growth stocks, but they retain their value during a market downturn based on the industry they're in and historical performance during bad times. First stock is Costco, ticker symbol COST. Costco operates membership warehouses. Current price is $219.82. Market cap is $96 billion. PE ratio is 30 and forward PE ratio is 26, which is higher than the market average of 21.4. Taking a look at the performance past week, up 1.53%, past month up 4.33%, past 3 months down 2.88%, past year up 14.41%, past 5 years up 103.31%. Dividend yield is 1.04% or $2.28 per year. Next is NextEra Energy, ticker symbol NEE. So NextEra Energy sells electric power to retail and wholesale customers. Current price is $188.32. Market cap is $90 billion. PE ratio is 14 and forward PE ratio is 20.77, which is slightly higher than the market average of 21.4. Taking a look at the performance, past week up 0.85%, past month up 6.33%, past 3 months up 3.38%, past year up 21.83%, and past 5 years up 107.24%. The dividend yield is 2.66% or $5 per year. Next is PepsiCo, ticker symbol PEP. PepsiCo is a food and beverage company. Current price is $116.03. Market cap is $162 billion. PE ratio is 13 and forward PE ratio is 19.5, which is slightly higher or slightly lower than the market average of 21.4. Taking a look at the performance, past week up 0.42%, past month up 3.4%, past 3 months down 1.5%, past year up 6.1%, and past 5 years up 46.56%. Dividend yield is 3.2% or $3.71 per year. That's all for this video. What stocks are you buying? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.